Guys, I just wanted to say, have you ever sneezed so hard that at first it made you get a nosebleed? Because that just happened to me. I sneezed and it caused me to get a nosebleed. What the fuck? How does that even happen? Like, I sneezed, nothing wrong. Next thing I know, there's blood oozing down my nose. What the fuck? Seriously. Why? How does that even happen? Like, it wasn't even that bad of a sneeze. It was just a little tiny sneeze. And then all of a sudden, I don't even know. Don't know how that's even possible, but whatever. It just happened. And after that, I came back up here after it was gone to do my homework and stuff. And I get hiccups. Go back downstairs to get a glass of water. They're gone. So I had to go back up here and sit down and start my homework. What the fuck? Oh yeah, and another thing. I am donating blood tomorrow. Woo! It's gonna be my first time ever. So I'm really nervous because I have a really, really bad phobia of needles. Like, I will not be able to tell them. Like, today we did a lab with syringes. Some of them still had a needle on them, and you know that little gray cap thing that goes over the needle? Not the big, bulgy, see-through one, but the smaller one. Diabetics probably know what I'm talking about, but the little tiny gray cap that is a little cylinder, yeah, that was over it, but I was still freaked out. Like, when my teacher pulled it out, I completely froze in fear. It's really bad, really bad. So hopefully I can get through that. And then the fact that you're giving blood, well, I have a problem. As you can see, I involved in shorts and baggy shirt because I came from practice, from tryouts, color guard tryouts, for fall guard, for marching band season of next year. And today we learned stuff, and I'm all tired, and it is, well, we have the continuous of tryouts tomorrow, and that's when I'm giving blood. So hopefully I won't faint or pass out or anything. Well, okay, passing out and fainting are the same thing, but still. Hopefully because if I don't, I'm just gonna suck it up. Yeah, suck it up. I'm still gonna do practice. I've done it feeling really faint before and nauseous. I survived. I will be fine. Even though I'm gonna be missing an entire pint of blood. I don't care. I don't care. So yeah. Multi-purpose room. What the fuck is that? I have no idea where I'm gonna be even going. So yeah. Basically, it says that I'm covering up the edges of my skull because I don't want people stalking me from the entire state or US. But yeah. And I don't know. And they highlighted that part because I am 16. You have to have a signed consent form, which they attached to this. And this, your guide to giving blood and not, underline not, fainting. So that's gonna be a whole bunch of fun. And then, not fainting, that's gonna be a difficult one. So yeah, the sneezing, it's made fun. I don't even know. And then, what? This is becoming a really bad thing. Every time I do a vlog, I forget what I'm gonna say. What was I gonna say? I mean, I'm gonna say something, but it's not what I had. Okay, so one of my lights burned out in my ceiling fan. And you know how I turned the switch off but I didn't put the fan on? I pulled this down to turn the light on, and there was like a huge blue flash and a huge clanging noise, and it scared the shit out of me. And I didn't know what it was, and now the room is a little bit darker. And then I realized, oh, the light just burnt out. Wow. I felt really stupid. So, yeah. Yay. So, yeah. That, no. Just. So, yeah. And I put the weirdest things around my room, like, should be, I have, okay, this isn't really weird, but I have a little solar powered plant thing that moves when it's in the sunlight. God, it's so fucking dark without the one light bulb. That's, because there's 3 different light bulbs. Oh, my throat just got dry. Oh, that's weird. And there's 3 different, 1, 2, 3. One of them right here, one right here, burnt out. So now it's like hella dark over in that area. And then, but going back to the weird stuff I have in my room, I have random pictures. I have a 1A calendar. I have a picture of my friend who I moved away in 6th grade from Michigan, Grand Rapids. And yes, I'm a Wolverine fan to the heart. You will never take that away from me. I fucking hate State. Anyway, I have this, which is an extension. Pretty awesome extension because it has a heart. Heart. What the fuck is that? That's a cross. Jeez. Skull and crossbones, and it has a spike and another skull, and it has a chain. It's cool. Oh, jeez, my throat just got dry again. And then a project thing I made in 6th grade that we had to use recyclable only stuff. So I made like a pencil sharpener bird that had a little nest, and then now I use it for holding pencils and pens and stuff, and flowers. I got this one from my cousin's, I don't even remember what, Halloween. Another of my cousin's things. Oh, okay, her sister's thing. And then from Winter Guard, and I actually have more flowers in that from this past Winter Guard. Are the weirdest decorations in my room, I swear. I mean, okay, a calendar's not that bad, and for a teenage girl painting, drawings aren't that bad, but, and either rosaries aren't that weird anyway. Like, just, I have the weirdest things in my room. I'm not even gonna lie. Actually, I have that the seniors that were in Winter Guard, they made this. They all painted it and put it together and put, these were facial jewels that we put on our face. Probably extras. And there's me performing in one of our shows, or one of our performances of our show, which was called The Butterfly. Alright, awesome. Our tire looked pretty cool. And our silks were butterfly wings. It was amazing. As you can kind of see, that's a wing, and then that's the end of it. And very pretty dress that I still have it. I actually still have it right here. So yeah, I have so many hats. Oh my god. One hat. One of my absolute favorite hats was from, okay. Ready? Are you ready for this? Are you sure you're ready for this? Hell yeah. Fucking Kisuke's hat. I have Kisuke's hat from Bleach. What now? All I need is a fucking cane and the rest of his outfit, and I'm all fucking good. But, I mean seriously, I found this at FYE. It's a multimedia store thing for like video games and music. They have anime stuff there too. It's really awesome. Like they have the Naruto headbands from all of the different villages. They had Kisuke's hat. I died when I saw that. I was like, oh my god. So I got it. I had to get it. And yeah. So yeah, that was very I only got 1 hour of sleep last night, so I'm really, really quiet, or tired. See, I'm so tired I can't even talk right. You know it's bad when you can't talk right. And I almost yawned. So, keep doing that again. And of course I have these meds that I'm supposed to take if I can't fall asleep, but I forgot I had them, and then by the time I remembered I had them, it was too late. Because it's like 6 hours, you have to put you out for 6 hours. I remembered 3 o'clock in the morning. I have to get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. I wouldn't wake up until after 6, like 3 hours out. It's like 9. So I would definitely be late for school then. Because our school starts at 8:15. Yeah, I would be late by 45 minutes. So yeah. Oh, jeez. Oh, I'm so tired. It's been a really long day. Because I just got out of practice like an hour and 25 minutes ago. So yeah. Another thing I found this morning was a book I had since 5th grade. Excuse me, sheesh. Sudoku, or Sudoku, whatever the fuck you want to say it. I love Sudoku. I play it. I love solving them. And yet I hate math. What the fuck? But I'm a freaking prodigy at this. I'm freaking good at Sudoku. So, like in 8th grade, this teacher, Mr. Shepard, he had a calendar, and there was a daily Sudoku thing on it. I was the only one ever able to solve them daily. Just took one from the previous day and just completed it, and I got extra credit for it, which that was pretty awesome. Getting extra credit for something that is fun. Well, okay, to me it's fun, but you know, this is just my opinion. Don't judge me. Can't help it. I'm a nerd. I know. I know I'm a nerd. Actually, you know you're a nerd when you start making... Oh, jeez. When you start making chemistry jokes. That's when you know you're really bad. Or you start making references from animes. You know you're bad. You know you're a nerd if you do that. Or if you're bad. Because pancake thing. I don't care. I mean, I get straight A's and B's. And stuff, so I don't know, I'm a nerd. Always have been, always will be. Ear. Yeah. My hair's getting in my ear and it feels weird. Ooh. Oh, that tasted like a taco. Because I had tacos for dinner. Yum, yum, yum. Num, num. And actually we got to go to Dairy Queen. And they got a pina colada shake. Or not shake. Smoothie. Jeez, I'm really not even... I'm not able to talk. Freaking... Damn it. It's not even 10 o'clock yet. Not even 9:30 yet. And I'm freaking tired as hell. Guess what? That's what I get for not being able to fall asleep. It's not my fault. Can't help but being in a freaking insomnia. Jeez, don't judge. So yeah. and I still have homework to do. What the hell? Actually, we were at a thing in class, did it in French class today, and it was really bad because beginning it was really pretty and beautiful. Actually, do I have my French book with me? I don't. But it was really pretty. Like the first two lines are, oh, it's pretty, and it's describing the scenery. And it's just beautiful. And then the line after that, oh, there's a guy, and he's looks like he's sleeping, and he's so peaceful, and he looks like he's got a pleasant smile that a little sick child has, and I'm like, oh, that's nice. And then the very last line, but then you see there's 2 round holes in his chest. What? He's not sleeping. Then even the freaking title. Even the freaking title, sorry. Because I was going to search it up online, because it's a French poem. Because I don't have my textbook with me, and it was in my textbook. So, yeah, and I got distracted because messages on my iPad. Jeez, I'm so... Ugh. Yeah, my friend, she's trying it. Yeah, so I can't fucking do color guard. Oh, no. Yeah, so I can't... Yeah, I said it right. Wow, I'm so stupid. Yes, you can. Exclamation point. God damn, I'm tired. Ugh. Okay, let's actually search it up because I'm really freaking curious. About... Actually, it was kind of death. I don't remember the guy's name, but I bet you if I found it, I would probably recognize it. Ooh. No, I need it in French, goddammit. I don't remember the guy's name, oh god. Oh, they're in parentheses in French, okay. No, because it didn't have... Oh. I'm just gonna go.